What's up everyone? Thanks for joining me on WellnessKE. My name is Fatma. Today we're going to be making delicious, simple, easy to prepare cinnamon tea, weight loss cinnamon tea that's actually going to be great for balancing blood sugar levels and also for diabetes, PCOS, insulin resistance, hormonal imbalance, fertility issues, belly fat, and so much more. So if you want to learn how to prepare this particular tea, keep watching this video. But before we get started, I want to give a shout out to all the ladies who have been using our cinnamon tea and also our products and actually reaping the benefits. Congratulations to all of you ladies. Keep on using the products. Make sure that you keep sending us your pictures and also letting us know in the comment section how our products have been able to help you. I really continue to wish you the best health because I know it's possible and you're going to be able to do it. So for this particular tea, what you're going to need is cinnamon sticks and also some water. Remember, we're going to be using our very own WellnessKE cinnamon, so you can be able to place your orders at 849 bob in order for you to get yourself a packet. So pour a glass of water into a sufuria and use 1 stick of cinnamon into the glass of water in the sufuria. Turn on your heat and then just start boiling. This recipe is actually very simple. We're going to boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is actually going to ensure that you activate the cinnamon. And cinnamon is actually very beneficial because it acts like insulin in your body and helps to lower blood sugar levels. This actually is something that we need to focus on because high blood sugar levels can cause diabetes, PCOS, hormonal imbalance, fertility issues, and so many other issues. So you need to take cinnamon tea if you see that you're struggling with your weight loss, struggling with belly fat issues, hormonal weight as well. So you need to actually start your day with a cup of cinnamon tea. So once it has boiled, remember to turn off the heat and also cover it. Leave it for about 10 minutes. You can actually leave it for long. This is going to be really helpful because we want to make sure that it steeps, it soaks, and it actually activates the cinnamon. And there we have it. We have our cup of cinnamon tea, a cup of health that's going to help you when it comes to belly fat, weight loss, diabetes, PCOS, and so many other conditions. Don't forget to place your orders for organic cinnamon, and ours is actually really special because 1 stick can be used thrice or 4 times. I actually get to use mine 4 times whenever I'm preparing a cup of tea. So don't throw it out. Actually let it dry and then you can actually use it again and prepare another cup of tea. Cinnamon tea can be enjoyed when it's hot, and you can actually leave it to soak and then put it in the fridge and enjoy it as an iced tea or put it in your smoothie. This is one of the best ways for you to start your day while balancing your blood sugar levels. Don't forget, it's the high blood sugar levels that actually cause stubborn weight, stubborn belly fat, diabetes, and so many other conditions. So keep looking out for that. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That way you'll know every single time we post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.